Yes. Now we'll see with the construction of battery problem. So as we are having a given sequence CSDT AMPI BWNGU, how to construct a battery. Okay, we already seen the definition of battery. As a battery is the bottom of approach root, and the root node will be created at the last. So based on the leaf node only, the root nodes will be generated. So here we are creating the battery with the order of 4. Means here the number of nodes maximum we can store in each node is each level is 4, and minimum we can need to store the 2 minimum values we need to store the 2. Okay, so initially as you have created, it is a empty node. Okay, maximum here you can store 4 elements. Next, when you want, if this is full, you can split into new node. Okay, see here, initially when I read the C and S, as I will be storing it as it is, because there is no sorting takes place, because C and S will be continuously one after the other. So first we will be storing what, C, then followed by S. Okay, next what happens once I read the D, what happen, the sorting takes place itself in the node. Okay, see the changes there. So after C you are getting D, then you are getting S. Okay, so but when you read the S, T, and it will be stored after the S. Okay, there is no sorting takes place. Only when you read the D value, the sorting will takes place. So now this is the battery of order 4. Here all the 4 values will be filled. Next, when we read the A, that value is what, 5th element. So here maximum we can store only 4 elements. As you see in the properties of battery, every node maximum you can have store m and minimum m by 2. Means minimum you can have 2 elements, maximum you can have 4 elements. So already 4 elements are there. So once we read the A, we need to split up. Okay, see here, when we go to split up, at that time we need to keep in mind that and the root node should be, or whatever the node we create, minimum should have 2 elements, maximum you can have 4 elements. So here in the first node element, I will be written as a D as the root node value, and second node element I will be taking as a T as node. Why? Because see here, when I split into the child nodes, 2 child nodes I need to create it. So here when new nodes are created, so here ACD. So here from this, out of 4 these nodes, we are filled with the 3 elements. Out of these 3, D is the highest elements. Hence that is taken as what, promotional element, and that will be your root node value. And similarly here ST you are splitted, you can have only you are having what, 2 values, minimum values you are having. So hence again the highest key elements of this node is T, hence that will be sent as a promotional key elements, and that value is stored as the root node. So here how many new nodes are created? 2 new nodes are created, and we are satisfying the requirements. See here, next when we read the values like P and M and P, at that time there is no changes takes place, just you are storing those values in the upper level node DM PT. Just starting takes place in the upper root node. The below child nodes ACD and ST remains same. Only the root node values will be, instead of DT, it will be what, DMP. The sorted order they will be stored. Okay. Next, once you inserted I, then what happens, you cannot store that I in the root node because it is already full. Hence you need to go for the creation of the new node. And see here, the new node is created. In that you are stored with what, IMP. Okay, so here again the highest element is what, P, and that value will be stored as a root node value. Okay, similarly once you read the B, there is no changes takes place, just B is inserted where, in the left side of the node, because left side you are allowing what, A, C, D, one node is empty, there you can fill up with what, B. Okay, and similarly when you read the W, so there will be change takes place. When you read the W, what happens, already your highest node element of the right side is what, T, so that value will be changed to what, W, and W will be in the root node, and that root node highest value is what, W, and that will be stored in your root node. So hence the root node value will be changed to what, W. And similarly when you read N, then what happens, the N value will be stored where, in the IMP column. So there already you are having one node empty, there you can store, and just shuffling will be takes place. We will be shifted last and N will be in the middle. Okay, next once you read the G, then what happens, once you read the G, then what happens, you cannot store anywhere here because it is already full. Hence there is a creation of a new node. So see the new node, we have created the 2 new nodes, one is GIM and P, because it needs to be minimum requirements. Hence we have created the new node GIM, and M is the highest elements, and that is your root node value. And similarly here NP, P is the highest element, that is your root node value. Okay, so this creates the new nodes, and at last your remaining element is u, and that should be inserted where? In the last row there, st, then your sorting will take place stuw, and this is how you have created the B tree of order 4. See here, D, M, P, T, P, W, A, B, C, D, G, I, M, N, P, and S, T, U, W. This is how you are creating the B tree. So minimum you should have 2 keys, and maximum you can have 4 keys. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can approach me. And this is the problem B tree. So you are getting this problem fixed. So be perfect with this problem. Thank you.